Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to install this kinky straight wig that I got from Aliexpress, and it's from Sparkle Diva. So go ahead and keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. The first thing I'm going to do is sleek back my edges with some Got2b glued, because I don't want them to be mixed in with the wig and then your edges are gone. Like, no, we don't want that. And also I turned on the fan, so yeah, I'm sorry for that background noise. Next I'm going to use some alcohol to clean up my forehead, because I don't want the lace to lift. Even though I'm not gonna use lace glue, but I still don't want the lace to lift, so I'm going to clean my forehead and remove all the dirt on my forehead. Now I'm going to use my wax. I don't have a wax stick, but I have like wax like in a jar, I guess. So that's what I'm using. And I'm going to make my middle part. I'm using the wax in a hot comb just to have it be nice and sleek. Now it's time to cut the ear tabs off. I find this part a little bit harder just because it's kind of harder to see. So what I suggest is to cut it in sections, just in case you cut too much, because when you cut too much, then your hair starts showing and it doesn't look good. It looks like the wig doesn't fit and it's not even true. So just cut your ear tabs in sections. So I wanted to try this thing that I see all the YouTubers do, where they cut their lace and glue it in sections. So I tried that, and honestly it's not really my favorite. I like to just either glue everything down and then cut the lace, or cut the lace and then glue everything down. That was my first time trying it, and it's not really my favorite. I'd do it if there's like some trouble with the lace, because it's easier to control, but yeah, I don't really like that, doing it like that. So I basically use a mixture of Got2b gel and Got2b spray, and I let it get tacky. It only took a couple seconds to get tacky, so I let it get tacky, and then I placed the lace on my forehead, and I dried it with the blow dryer, and I did that for every section. And I wrapped my head, let it sit for 15 minutes, and yeah, that's basically about it. So now it's time to actually cut the lace. Naturally I have a widow's peak, so I wanted to try to mimic that, so that's why I cut the lace in the middle again, just to try to mimic that widow's peak. So basically with the middle part I tried to follow my hairline as best as possible, so it looks like it's my real hair, kind of, in a way. Yeah, that's basically what I did. I just tried to follow my hairline and I cut off the lace. Now it's time to do the baby hairs. I didn't really want to do too much with the baby hairs just because I knew that the hair would fall on my face. So I just did 2 baby hairs on each side of my head. So basically now I'm just cutting it with a razor, just because I don't want to cut it with the scissors, because the scissors will give it a blunt cut and I don't want to have a blunt cut for the baby hairs. So that's why I'm doing it with the razor, and I am following it with some mousse and a edge brush just to try to get the baby hairs. I'm not really that good at baby hairs, but I try. So yeah. So I did a time lapse for the makeup look just because I didn't really want to film one, because it was going to make the video very long. So if you guys want to see this makeup tutorial, just let me know in the comments and I will refilm it for you guys. But yeah, it's just a quick time lapse of my makeup look. So now I'm just applying the finishing touches to the hair. I just wanted to fix the front a little bit just because I wanted it to look a little better. So that is the finished product, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this small install, and this hair is from Sparkle Diva. I have a video, last week's video was on that same hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye.